we want to ask you, what do you like most about being a volunteer instructor for our chess club here at the STEAM Center?
I like being able to help others out, and I like being able to see what they're capable of becoming or doing. Now that I've learned about what this place is, I wish that they had something like this when I was growing up, right? Because it would have made, I think, made a lot of difference. And so to be able to see the children thrive and excel, it's really awesome. Because then you're watching history unfold in front of you. So yes.
Thank you so much for all you do for us and for the kids here at the STEAM Center. We really appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for